A poem, Teamwork. Standard 6, Subject English, Term 2, Unit 1. Prepared by Kalayarasi, PUMS Narasingapuram, Kadambattur Block, Thiruvallur District. The poem Teamwork, written by the poet Edgar Albert Guest. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But a single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. For there is no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. And the thing that counts in the world today is, how do you pull with the team? They may sound your praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate. Or you will never win the game. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. You may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that's just in view. It's helping your fellow man to score. When his chances hopeless seem, it's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. Thanks for watching. Prepared by Kalayarasi, PUMS Narasingapuram, Kadambattur